Bitcoin could be preparing for new highs. Bitcoin appears to be preparing to resume its uptrend. Bitcoin whales have been accumulating tokens during the recent downturn. Meanwhile, the overhead resistance barriers are also weakening. Recent activity on the Bitcoin network suggests that the asset may have reached a market bottom after the significant losses it has recently suffered. Still, there is another supply barrier. Bitcoin needs to breach for prices to advance further. Bitcoin is ready for higher highs. The number one crypto has dropped by more than 20% in market value over the last few weeks, but several on-chain metrics suggest that a bullish impulse is underway. Behaviour analytics platform Sentiment has recorded a significant increase in whale holdings over the past week. While Bitcoin has failed to overcome its $60,000 resistance levels, large investors have been accumulating tokens. The increased buying pressure seen behind Bitcoin over the past week coincides with a considerable decline in the total number of coins held on exchanges. Roughly 16,000 Bitcoins have been withdrawn from trading platforms since November 18. This is the first time in more than 3 years that the balance on exchanges has dipped below 2.43 million Bitcoins. The declining Bitcoin supply on known cryptocurrency exchange wallets, alongside the rising buying pressure, paints a positive picture for the asset's future price growth. As the number of Bitcoins available to sell drops, the downside potential becomes limited, creating the optimal conditions for a supply shock. On-chain analyst Will Clemente affirms that such network dynamics have led to the development of a clear bullish divergence between Bitcoin supply moving to strong hands and price. Still, Bitcoin needs to overcome a substantial supply barrier to be able to resume its uptrend. Into the Blocks model shows that more than 1.18 million addresses have previously purchased over 555,000 Bitcoins between $60,330 and $62,090. A decisive close above this resistance level could help Bitcoin surge towards $70,000. It is worth noting that Bitcoin is trading above a significant demand barrier that might be able to absorb any further selling pressure. More than 3.41 million addresses have acquired nearly 2 million Bitcoins, between $55,000 and $58,500. Holders within this price pocket may attempt to prevent seeing their investments go out of the money by accumulating more coins.